Okay, so I'm here with Frank Bennett. I'm testing a brand new headset by JPL. I literally got it today. I plugged it in. I've done a quick little unboxing video. I asked Frank, how do I sound? And Frank, what did you say?
You sound amazing. I mean, it literally sounds like you're in the next room.
And I have no idea because I don't know what I sound like because I can't call myself. So it was great to be able to test this almost immediately. Again, I literally just unboxed it. I was in the middle of doing an unboxing video and hopped onto a Zoom meeting. And so this is what it sounds like. But now what I really want to do live is a blender test. So I have no idea what this is going to sound like, but we'll find out right now how well the JPL Icon 110 UB3 sounds with the blender running in the background. Now I am in a Zoom meeting and I do have personalized audio isolation turned on. So anyway, here we go. Ready? All right, so the blender is running in the background. You see it running. In fact, let's get a decibel reader.
Wow.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off.
Wow.
Okay, so now I turned it off.
Yep. I couldn't even hear it.
You couldn't hear it?
No, dude, honest to God, it was like you pressed mute on everything other than your voice.
Wow.
Yeah,
Well,
it was
there you
really
go.
good.
Live test of the JPL, the brand new JPL Icon 110 UB3. If you want to learn more about this, reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be somewhere. And as always, if you like this type of content, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks. Wow.
Dude, seriously, it was like you muted everything.